Buju Banton isn't playing. He gave Wayne Wonder until today to retract those comments, and the reggae world is holding its breath.
What does that mean? That means you're going down the wrong way?
No.
Because I think...
Well, you hold on to you. We're not children of no father, the devil, and we're not children of no father who will do his works. I'm not saying that you cannot have disagreements with your brethren.
Yeah.
But for how long?
You see this Buju Banton and Wayne Wonder situation? I'm not going to really get involved in it too much. For me, can understand from both sides. Zine?
Dancehall and Reggae is currently on edge as a rift has surfaced between two legendary collaborators. International superstar Buju Banton has reportedly issued a legal ultimatum to singer Wayne Wonder and his wife, demanding a full retraction of alleged defamatory comments. For decades, the names Buju Banton and Wayne Wonder were synonymous with reggae harmony, giving the world timeless hits like Bonafide Love. However, the Gargamel is currently singing a different tune, one of legal recourse. According to reports, Banton's legal team has set a strict Wednesday deadline for Wayne Wonder and his wife to pull down specific posts from Wonder's social media page. The demand isn't just for a deletion. Banton is seeking a formal, public apology for remarks he considers defamatory to his character and brand.